Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to cancel Suno AI subscription. All right, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to the official Suno AI website. Once the page loads, locate the login option at the top right corner and sign in using your registered email address and password. After logging in, you will be taken to your account dashboard. Next, find your profile icon or account menu. Click on it and navigate to Manage Subscription. Click on this option to proceed. Suno AI may show a few confirmation steps or ask for feedback before allowing you to continue. Follow the on-screen instructions and confirm your decision to cancel your subscription. Once the cancellation is completed, check for a confirmation message on the screen. You should also receive a confirmation email verifying that your subscription has been canceled successfully. Keep this email for your records. So, that's basically how you can cancel Suno AI subscription. That's it for this video. Thanks.